Join www.ShieldTutorials.net for more MyBB tutorials. What's up everyone, this is Burn Designs here. I'm from ShieldTutorials.net and today I'll be showing you how to make a custom MyBB theme. Right now you can see that I'm actually making one just for my actual site instead of using a rip theme or a null theme. Right here is my test form. I really don't do anything on it, so let's go and start. First thing you're going to want to do is go to templates and style, create a new template. Just name your template. Let's go name it tutorial. Make sure the parent theme is MyBB master style. Then what you're going to want to do is go to templates, add set, let's put tutorial. And now that we have all that, we can go to themes again, tutorial. If I'm going too fast, just you can pause the video or just message me and we'll talk over it. Now you're going to come over here to template set. You're going to change that to tutorial or whatever your name is, whatever your template set name is. And because this is my my test form, I will just make it my default. And as you can see, I have two members, just me and my partner. I am most likely locked on Shield right now, so let's go refresh. As you can see, we got the default MyBB template. Now what we can do to fix this up and make it look more decent is we can go to templates and style, themes, your theme, global CSS. As you can see up here, it says this style sheet is currently being inherited from MyBB master style. Any changes you make will break the inheritance and the style sheet will be copied to this theme. So that just basically means that you're gonna have your own style. It's gonna be like copied to the theme and not the actual MyBB style. Alright, so let's go change the background. You can either do this in the simple mode or the advanced mode. I prefer to do it in the advanced mode, but the simple mode is actually simple. So we're gonna go change the background to a good black or dark color. And the color, because the background's gonna be black, we're just gonna make it a light color. So oops. We'll save changes and see what this does. As you can see, it changed the content background, which is in the container. If you wish to change the actual background, the outer edge over here, you're going to come over here, go to container, go all the way down. You should see body. Click on body, and you can change this to whatever color you want. I'm just going to change it to the same color. Change the font color to a good color that I'm already using. Refresh. And as you can see, there's also a border here on the container. If you want to remove that or make it thicker or whatever, just go to container. Right over here in the extra CSS attributes, that's going to contain your border, your margin, your padding, and your text line. So for example, if we do border none, save, refresh, you do not have a border. Personally, I like it like that. As you can see, I also like good border, darker color, light color in the back. You can make your own logo, but I already have a logo, so actually let's go and load that logo up by going themes. We'll just go back to the theme. We'll change the image directory to tutorial, images to tutorial, and instead of a .gif we'll use a .png. This allows us to have a transparent background without the white edges. Now you're going to need to go into your FTP. After going into your FTP, you're going to go ahead and create a new directory and name it whatever you named it in your administration panel. Now if you go ahead and actually, I've already created some images in my shield right here. We're just gonna quickly open that up, grab everything that's in here, and we're just gonna toss it in there for easy going, I guess. We'll wait for all this to load. Just wait a few, refresh. As you can see down here, you have the white edges, and that's because this is a GIF file. Now to change that, you're going to need to create a PNG file, and we'll go in here. Since I've already gone and created a PNG file of this, all we need to do is go here, go to your templates, go to your template for your theme, go to index page, go to index, scroll down, and over here you can see the DL class form legend. You can either remove this entirely, which will completely remove this down here, or you can go ahead and create your own PNG files and change the extensions in here. Oops, that was screenshot, don't want to do that. PNG. So as you can see, I've removed the white edges and it looks more clean. Now next we are going to be changing the panel background and the panel text color. So we will go into our themes, our theme itself, global CSS. Let's go into the advanced style. Now right here is the A links. This controls pretty much all the links. So let's go just change this to a good cyan color. 1, F2. The visited will use the same color because we don't want it to change whenever someone clicks. The hover will be 1A99F1. It's a lighter color. Be really hard to tell the difference actually. Wait for this to finish. Refresh. As you can see, it got lighter. Right here it's purple, but that's because that is on, let's go to the simple, go over here and scroll down to where you see the A a link, a hover and active, go to a hover and active. And actually it wasn't a hover and active, was it? I think it was visited. Oh, that's why. There. Now that we've fixed that, we click here. It should have changed. Colors hashtag 1A99F2. Remove that. And there we go. I fixed it. And the reason why it didn't work over here is because I didn't do color hashtag 1A99F2. Now what this does is it actually specifies this color right here. But why do that when you can go into the simple mode and just leave it as it is? Alright, now let's go change the actual text color of the panel. So we're just going to go over here to the selector, go all the way up to panel itself, change the color to a good white color. Actually, let's go use E3. Change the background to 181818. Hit enter and it saves. Refresh, and it made it a darker color. Now if you wish to change the corner to a good round edge, just come over here, go to the extra CSS attributes and type in border radius, and change the radius to anything 3 pixels or higher will give it a good round edge. If it 30 pixels is too much, that's all I gotta say. I like a good 10 pixel or 8 pixel. Make sure you put your semicolon after and then save. As you can see, it gives it a good round edge. Next, we'll be changing the color of these links. So for that, because that's in a menu, we'll go over here to menu, menu, a link. Change that to 1A99F2. Hit save. And as you can see, it changed the color. You can make that white if you want. That white would be FFF or FFF. Or you can use EB or E3. Either one, it's a good light color. As you can see, I have images right here that don't show up. Top links, search, yeah, all that. You can either remove or add links, like you can go and create your own in Photoshop. As you can see right here, I have my own email and button. Right here you will see the forum name. To change the color of that, because that actually does get annoying after a while. I didn't even notice it until, like, I don't know how long ago. Just go to navigation, change it to FFF, or because I like E3, because that is a really light gray. Go to navigation.active and change the same thing. Um, just let's see what else. Links visited. Alright, that should be good for that. Now if we refresh, it becomes white or light gray because I put light gray. Right here, down here in the footer, the not the footer but the bottom bottom menu, you can see it's a light color. Right here it's EF, so let's go change that to match the panel. We'll go over here, go to the very top, right here, dot, bottom menu, change the color to 181818, change, or that's the background, change the color to E3. And now if you refresh, all the links here are pretty much the same as up here, because all the links are actually set to the A link that you set up already, which is this. And let's go say we don't want that border. All you gotta do is come over here and go none, save, refresh, and you don't have that border, but because I like the border, we'll do 1 pixel solid, hashtag E3. Yes, I do like that number, if you're just wondering. Alright, because I don't like sharp corners, we'll change that to a border radius of 3 pixels. And as you can see up here is 8 pixels. We'll show you 3 pixels. It's not sharp, it's just there. Now if we can actually change the color of the background to this and this. Let's go over here. It's the T head, so actually I already have that in there. The only issue is if I go over here, let's just make it easier and hit Control Find and go GIF. As you can see, the images right here, just you gotta set your images folder. I got 7 links like that, so we gotta change it all for that. Actually I don't have those images. Don't have that image. And nope. Actually, I think I only have those 2 images, so that's all we need to change for now. As you can see, the background changed. Let's go to the simple. Go to, where's T head at? T head. Right here you can see that I've changed it. Alright, now if we go to tcat, or was it, no, it wasn't tcat, it was row 2, I think. I don't remember which one it was. That's right. That was just table. All the way down to the bottom. Go to advanced. Let's go just find it. Table. T border solid right here, we'll change that to E3, E3, and border radius to 6 pixels. As you can see, now it's rounded, but because it doesn't look good like that, we'll just go over here and make the border none. You can actually just completely delete border, but I like to leave it there so it's a lot easier to fix later. Change the padding on that. Margin T border. Padding will use 10 pixels. As you can see, the border itself was set to the padding of 10 pixels, but I put that in the wrong place. So let's go remove that, put that in the border, save. It stayed the same because I'm an idiot. Which one was it? I think it was T head. Table T head. Oh. That's why. It was T border. Background is transparent. Hit fine and do border. You can actually figure out where all the borders are. That's the panel, don't want to change that. Already changed that. Don't want to change the border of the bottom. Text area, select, editor, don't want to change any of that. What we are looking for is actually not, oh wait, page nation. I can't remember which one it was. Actually, yeah, I just remove it. But as you can see here, I have no border. So now we are going to change the color of this, the tcat, and that will be simple. Just go to simple mode, go over here and just press wait, go up a little bit, and as you can see right here, it says tcat. Change the background of that. You can change it to any color. I like F9, F9, F9 for that. Makes it a light color, or you can make it a gray color, which would be, I believe, F0. Just F0. No, actually, yeah, that's it. And then we'll go over to the T row 2, change that to FF. And now you can see the difference, hopefully. Oops, wrong one. Let's go back to, damn it, let's go back to tcat. Let's go make it really noticeable. We'll do E3, E3, E3. Now it's noticeable. you can actually change the link color here, which would be over here. Go to tcat. Oh wait, that's tfoot. Tcat a link. Change the color of that to let's do, I don't know what we should do. Just leave that that one. And I've gotten a 408 request timeout. Just hit enter and redo it. That is the T head. Don't really mind me. I'm just messing around. Well, yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. Oh, by the way, if you want to change the border of this up here, we'll just go over here and do border radius equals 8 pixels. And that is in the tcat. As you can see, I've changed the tcat to rounded edges, but let's not do that. Let's go actually leave 8 pixels and then 0, 0. What this does is it makes the top only rounded, but if you want to change the one above that, that would be the T head, and you just go border radius again. Let's go do 8 pixels, but because I don't want the bottom rounded, just do 0 pixels, 0 pixels. Alright, let's go over the CSS real quick. The border radius is rounded edges, and the first pixel, the first set of pixel is the left, then the second one is the right, and this is the left top, left bottom, right bottom, if that makes any sense to you. And as you can see right here, we have a straight edge, Let's go over to tcat, remove that first one, make it a 0, 0. Let's go try this out. Never actually done this one before. That looks really weird, but oh yeah, whatever. Oops, did not mean to do that. Now I meant to do it. And now your form should look a lot more clean. So let's go over the images of what you're gonna need. So you're gonna, first off, you're gonna need the T head, T foot, panel. Now you don't actually need the panel background, but it actually does help. As you can see, the panel over here doesn't have any background, but let's go add the panel background. I forgot I had that. To add the panel background, you're going to go ahead and type in URL, open parentheses, type in your images, your folder where your images are contained. Then you're going to go ahead and type in your panel, bg.gf. Alright, now close parentheses, hit enter and save it. Now if you refresh, as you can see, I've changed it. But because I don't like that one, we're just going to use hashtag 181818. Save. Now we can actually go and delete that because I don't use that. We're gonna need a off, on, and off lock for that. And you're gonna need this in GIF files, the graphics integrated format, and if you want to have it clean at the bottom, you're gonna need it in a GIF, or not a GIF, a PNG file. So you're gonna need pretty much 2 of each, and they're gonna be in 2 different formats, one in a GIF file and one in a PNG file. And I've gone and created a like a copyright kind of thing, and I could release the PNG file for it, but why do that when you can go and create your own? It's really simple. Next you're gonna go ahead, let's go look at that real quick. As you can see, I've added it down here, and whenever I hover over it, it changes. In order to do that, I've actually gone and extracted my theme, and I've added it down here. I've created an entirely new div class, and I've added the div class CSS up here somewhere. So there's really no programs you need for this. You can use regular Notepad for that one. Yeah, I believe you can do this in icy boards too. I've never actually done it in icy boards. I tried experimenting by importing my theme, and it messed up because of the theme differences. The upgraded version versus the old version of MyBB. Let's see. I don't recommend removing the powered by because, well, you are using a MyBB theme or a MyBB forum, and that's pretty much like removing their rights. Plus, it's copyrighted, so you wouldn't get any support from the MyBB community. Let's see. Oh, another thing is if you have subforums, I've gone and created a dot pretty much, and that is just the mini on and off. So that's just pretty much the on and off of this, but it's mini, and I've actually changed it to an O. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. When I advance, you advance. So that's Shield Tutorials for you. Don't forget to check out our partners, stealthforums.org. This is a general forums website. You can like discuss anything, like from relationships to schools to games to music to whatever you want. My other partner is Unleashed Gaming. I have 3 partners: Unleashed Gaming, Stealth Forums, and SMZ. Forgot the name. I just got partnered with them not too long ago. Slingshot Mods, that's what it was. Their name never sticks in my head for some reason. Unleashed Gaming. They, of course, are a gaming website. Mainly just Xbox mods or whatever. And slingshotmods.me. Don't know where they got that domain. That's... Oh, seems like we've gotten a new theme. Let's go just sign in real quick. I like their old theme, but I don't know what happened. Yeah, that's pretty much their websites, my partners. So feel free to join them. That is slingshotmods.me. That's all Xbox 360 mods. Stuffforums.org. That's general forums. And unleashedgaming.org. It's general gaming forums. So yeah, and don't forget to join ShieldTutorials.net/board. That is my forums, and if you just go to the ShieldTutorials.net, you can find my homepage, my previous work, and my work about me. Learn more about me, my contacts. Right now I have email, Skype, and Facebook. My email, I don't have an actual form for it because I'm not all that great in HTML. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to join, subscribe, and give the video a like. Well, it's all up to you, but yeah. Nice talking to you. This is Burn Designs. Peace out.